Mobius Corps constructed a battle station on this platform. We're gonna have to take out each sector of it before it fires on our colonies. These trucks carry Zalnaga artifacts that'll destabilize Mobius's technology. But first, you'll have to move them into position. You'll find this sector just to the north of your position.
What's going on? Yep. SCV ready. Big job, huh? Woo-hoo! Overtime. SCV ready. Huh? In the rear with the gear. You're the boss. SCV ready. What's going on? SCV ready. In the rear with the gear. Bad news. SCV ready.
Not enough minerals.
This better. SCV ready. Go, go, go! SCV ready. Gangway, coming through. Go ahead. Armed and ready. SCV ready.
Bring your truck full of artifacts to this construct, and it'll shut down. I promise.
Who wants some? Why not? You gonna give me orders?
You did it. Construct's just rubble now.
Outstanding.
Just encountered some...
Your buddy's truck's getting beat up.
Been waiting on you.
Your truck's in some trouble.
SCV ready. You gonna give me orders? Bad news. SCV ready. In the rear with the gear. Gangway, coming through.
Banshee airstrike ready for deployment.
Yep. In the rear with the gear. SCV ready. Woo-hoo! Overtime. Go, go, go!
Calling down the Banshees.
First truck's in place. Get to safety. It's about to blow.
Waiting on SCV ready. Ah! You scared me! Yeah!
Hyperion call down ready.
Sure thing. This better be good.
Happy to say we only have 3 sectors left. 2 spare trucks have been prepped for you. Head east and you'll find the sector before you know it.
Insufficient.
Mayday! Mayday!
Big job! Ah!
Add-on complete. Add-on complete.
Go, go, go!
We got some visitors heading for our base. And they don't look too friendly.
The Mobius Corps knows we're here, and and they're transferring their weapons data from the outposts on this battle station. If you have a chance, steer your truck that way. It'll corrupt the data and stop it from ever being used elsewhere.
Base is under attack. Insufficient Vespene gas.
This better be good. Who wants some? Huh?
Our allies are being attacked.
Gangway, coming through.
SCV ready.
Huh?
Yeah.
Ah! You scared me!
Yes, sir. Go ahead.
Our allies are being attacked. Our allies are being attacked.
Defend your allies' truck, will ya?
What's up?
Well done. Construct's down. The enemy's targeting your truck's coordinates. Keep an eye out.
Our allies are being attacked. Bonus objective complete.
Raid is ready. Time for that. You can count on me. I'm getting buried here.
Upgrade complete. Banshee airstrike ready for deployment.
This better be good.
In the rear with the gear. Yeah. Will do.
Who called in the fleet?
Gangway, coming through.
Woohoo! Overtime.
Not enough minerals.
You want a piece of me, boy? This better be good.
SCV ready. It's your dime.
Gangway, coming through.
Looks like Amon's minions have found your truck's location. Expect an attack soon.
SCV ready.
Our allies.
Defend your allies' truck, will ya?
Our allies are being attacked.
Yep,
Good work. That's one less construct to deal with.
I'm going.
Our allies are being attacked.
SCV
Our allies are being attacked. Not enough minerals.
Armed and ready.
Our allies are being attacked.
This better be good. Gangway.
Our allies are being attacked.
SCV ready.
Who called in the fleet?
You want a piece
Upgrade
of me, boy?
complete.
SCV ready. SCV ready.
Not enough minerals.
This better be good.
Now for the other truck.
SCV ready.
Gangway, coming through.
You best get ready. Enemy's headed for our base.
You want a piece of me, boy?
SCV ready.
Hurry up before it goes up in flames.
Is under attack.
SCV ready.
This better be good.
Hyperion call down ready.
Who wants some?
SCV ready.
That sector's gone. You bought yourselves a little more time, Commanders.
We got it. That one's down for the count.
My team strapped together some new trucks.
SCV ready.
Focus on getting the trucks to the sector west of here.
Who called in the fleet?
This better be good.
SCV ready. Yes, sir. What's going on? Bad news?
Armed and ready.
Our allies are being attacked.
Yes, sir.
These research outposts are transferring their data so they can build additional weapons elsewhere. If you have time to escort your truck to them, it'll disrupt the connection. Consider it a target of opportunity.
Upgrade complete.
Good work. One less construct to deal with. The enemy's after your truck.
Our allies are being attacked.
Bad news, Commanders. An attack wave is coming for your truck.
Our allies are being attacked.
Yes, Commander.
That's one truck down. Move out of the blast radius, quickly!
Acknowledged.
Additional insufficient Vespine gas.
Ah, you scared me. It's your dime. Well, butter my biscuit.
Upgrade complete.
Demolition complete. And we've delayed them from activating the battle station's weapons.
Right on. The objective's down.
Both your trucks have arrived.
Ready?
This sector is south of your current base of operations.
Yeah.
Who wants some?
SCV ready.
Armed and ready.
SCV ready.
Your friend's truck needs some help.
SCV ready.
Well done. Construct's down.
Upgrade complete.
Yes, Commander. Yes, Commander. It's a trap!
SCV ready.
A Mobius research outpost is almost finished uploading its data. The enemy is targeting your truck's coordinates. Keep an eye out.
Who called in the fleet?
Bonus objective completed.
Well,
In the rear with the...
Our foe dares to attack our base. They will regret this.
Upgrade complete.
you hailed?
Our allies are being attacked.
Who called in the fleet?
Your truck's in some trouble.
Base.
Your
Our
buddy's
allies
truck's
are-
getting beat up.
You're the boss. Stay in the rear with...
Bad news, commanders. An attack wave is coming for your truck.
Our allies are being attacked. Base is under attack.
You did it. The construct's just rubble now.
Our allies are being attacked.
That's one truck down. Looks like Amon's minions have found your truck's location. Expect an attack soon.
I'm going.
Our allies